Initializing. Again, this is the system that I was using a bus at the bottom. There's my battery connection. Okay. This is the bus that I'm using. So I really basically put it together and made it work. And I have a treble smoke photo, SD1, interrupt 1D001, which would be one of my smoke detectors, but I don't understand. It should be this one, but it's not. Nothing's happening, it's going off. Yep, I'm out. I'm a quick adjustment. Quick adjustment, and I'm gonna let the strobes go off one more time, Shem. And then I'm done. Yeah, my teacher want me to get out of here, so I have to make sure I hurry up. Just need to initialize real quick, and then I'm gonna put the drills on. It's initializing. And then the strobes are gonna go off, and because I'm gonna do a quick drill. If it hurry up, it does it. And this basically the 6 strobes are gonna go off. There goes my trouble. The 6 strobes are gonna go off. You said Monday? Yes. All right. Damn. And there's the strobes going off, along with my trouble.